Hi YouTube, how you're doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in text, today is a Shein haul. I went over there and I copped me a couple of things that you could wear in the transition from summer to fall, and I think everything will look really bomb on you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give the video a big old thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it will also help me out here on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay y'all, this is the first thing that I got from Shein. It is this nice beautiful blazer, two-tone. As you guys can see, has like a caramel color on this side and like a tan color on this side. It is really cute and I really like it. It's supposed to be a blazer dress. For you that don't have as much going on down here, you are good to wear this as a blazer dress. But for me, with all of this, I need to wear some kind of a tight under this, a nice what do you call it, a nice thigh-high boots will go pretty well with this. And if I do want to wear without something, I could just go ahead and pin right there. I could pin that down and it will be so cute. I really like this, right? It's cute, it's sexy at the same time, but it's very short. Like, you're gonna see that it is really short for me and my body type. It's cute, and I love the fact that the two-tone, that it has two-tone going on. Very cute. Wear a nice bralette under this, a nice lacy bralette under this. Really cute, be really nice. And if you want your girls to be a little bit up, you could go ahead and add a bustier bra under this and you'll be looking really cute. Okay guys, the next thing that I got is this crop jacket right here. Oh baby, do y'all see how well it just fall on the body? Really cute, really nice. As you guys can see, I put on a tight under this one right here so you could look, I'm not naked. It might look like I'm naked, but I ain't naked. Yep. So yeah, this is a really cute jacket, very light, so I'm not gonna say it's gonna keep you warm or anything of sort, but this is really cute. You could leave it hanging with a nice bralette, a tights, and a boots, and you're out of the house with this one. I really like it. It's very simple. It's like in this sage green color. It does come with a like a buckle arm waist thingy right here. It doesn't stay poots. It won't stay poots. Yeah, you gotta finesse this edgy style with it. I like this. Really cute. This is what the back is looking like. Like I said, it's very cropped, so what is it? I went ahead and I buttoned it up real quick for you guys to see what it looks like. I think it's cute either way you want to style it. It's up to you. I like the way this thing is kind of hanging on the wrist right here. I like it like that. It's not constricting. It's very free. I think I prefer it open like that with a nice with a nice boots, and I'm good to go. Okay guys, the next thing I got is this vest. Also, I love tweed material. I feel like it makes you look classy on another level. So I went ahead and I got this sweet blazer right over here, vest, blazer, whatever you want to call it. Wear a nice sweater under it, a nice long sleeve sweater under this, and put this on top. Nice boots, tights, jeans at the bottom, whatever fits your style. I think it will work pretty well. It's white, so it's definitely gonna wash out. Yeah, this is what this one is looking like. I like it. It's not bad. It does come with a pocket. Wear this, and like I said, a boot, a tight, whatever works for your style. This will be perfect for it. It is a black and white tweed, and I love the fact that it has a pocket, a functioning pocket, and if you want, you can go ahead. Oh no, I lied. It doesn't have a functioning buttons. These are buttons, all right, but it's not meant to be closed up like this. But if you want to, you could go ahead and do it and just get those fancy pin and just pin it right here, or a nice belt with this. oh, it would look so cute. I love it. Okay, y'all, like I told you guys, I love tweed. This is more like a tweed plaid in some funny way, but this is more classy. It does sound like a velvet thingy at the wrist right here and also right here. These buttons are everything, man. You could go ahead and button it up and snap it. Oh, baby. Oh, I love this. Really cute, really nice. Classy, cute. This is what the back is looking like. So you can wear a nice pair of pants with this. Good to go, and definitely will keep you warm. It will keep you warm. I've noticed that you could just leave it open. Like I would definitely wear it, is leaving it open. You could wear a dress under this, a nice beautiful dress under this, and put this on top of it. I think you would look really, really cute. I just like the fact that it's so classy. Like, wow. Okay, y'all, the next one I got, it is this one. Move a little closer to you guys so you guys can see what y'all think. Oh my days, this is so elegant, so cute. It's also another tweed material. Okay, love it, love this. Like I said, wear long sleeve, something under this, a nice pencil skirt or a nice A-line skirt with this, and or a nice pencil pants. I mean, I said pencil pants, a cigarette pants with this. I even like it with the one I have on right now. Just put on a thigh high or a booty with this. I think you are good to go. Oh, this is so freaking cute. If you feel like it, you could go ahead and button it up. Like, really cute if you button it up also. I just love classy things like this. What y'all think? Look at the bag. It just stay in a nice spot on the body. Like, I don't want to take it off. I think this one. Look at the sleeve though. Look at the sleeve. It's different. Like, it's quarter length, but it's not bad. It's not like high waters too much. You can wear this to church. Really cute. I love it. Okay, guys, the next one I got is this crop jacket, shirts, whatever you want to call it, top. I like this. This is more for like going to go hang out with the girls and chilling and getting some drink. It's very thin. It ain't gonna keep you warm, but you know, you can find some other jackets to wear on top of this. It came with this little nice beautiful belt right here. You can either tie it in front or tie it at the back. It's up to you. I'm a kind of person, I really don't like tying my tie at the back. Am I the only one? I kind of like the fact that it looks like a cargo military kind of style outfit. If you guys can see, the shoulder does have this little thingy, right, extra thingy right over here and also right here. I love the fact that it's a long sleeve. It'll keep you warm if you are inside and you take out your jacket. This is really, really cute. Little snug on me right now, but so this is what the back is looking like. I like it. It's simple, it's cropped, something you could just throw on and go meet the girls for a good drink on the evening, you know, on a Saturday. I like it. It's not bad. I like it. And it's all snaps. So you could just snap off if you want. You could leave it open also. You could leave it open, but I think I like it buttoned up. It's snap button, so you could just snap it and put it on like that, which it's not bad. Very cute. Okay now. Okay now. This is effing cute on another control level. Okay, if you're Nigerian, you understand what I mean by control level. I don't even know what it means, but I know it's some kind of slang. But baby, do you guys see the color? This color. I haven't even shown you guys the best part of this blazer yet. Wait 1 second. shake it, shake it, shake it. Yay! Do y'all see the back? It's like, I hope you guys can see. Y'all see? I love it. It's like, I'm gonna move closer for you guys to get this in. You cannot wear a bra with this. Point blank period. If you want cleavage, get them tapes and tip the girl. This ain't, I ain't even tape. Y'all see how much better that look? Oh yes, girl. You're gonna be cold a little bit, but you're gonna be looking sexy cold. You're gonna be looking sexy cold. Because if you put this on, you cannot wear a jacket on top of this. This ain't for work. This is for going out. Okay? You just can't. Do y'all see the shoulder pad? The shoulder pad. I love it. Y'all see how excited my face is? I freaking love this. Freaking love this. Somebody please tell me to take this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm gonna take it off. Close your eyes. You want to see something? The best two for last, because this last two outfit that I gave you guys, it's like I just gotta take a minute. Gotta take a minute. The length on this is perfectly well. I'll wear this as a dress in a heartbeat. In a heartbeat. I can wear this as a dress, and this will give me no problem. The only thing is, I'm gonna have to like maybe put a little pin right there, and also right here because of my hips. And I was able to sit comfortably in this, and it's looking really, really cute. What do y'all think? I don't even have anything to say because these two last outfits kind of spoke for themselves. I hope y'all getting the true orange. Like, this is orange. You know that TikTok? That's it.
You don't understand. Half the waviness of my outfit is my skin. I promise you. Let me wear orange one time. Let me wear orange one time, yeah? Everybody's falling down like London Bridge.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box. I link everything that I have on this video. I link everything there and some other goodies there for you guys. So guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.